Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian and
Cade, Zach,
and Hendrix. Hendrix, say Hendrix. Hello.
and Grandma. And today we're gonna be making some delicious pizzas. Pizza. So we're making really easy pizzas today with things you can find around your house, such as tortillas. We have
tortillas today.
we have some tomato sauce, some cut up tomatoes, some fresh veggies, peppers, onions. There's pineapple, and those are actually cut up little hot dogs to look like pepperoni. So, all right. So Grandma.
So wait, let's put some olive oil first on your pan, okay?
Okay, let Grandma put the olive oil so your hands don't get too dirty.
So it'll be crispy when it's done, okay?
Totally fashion.
Okay. Alright. Now what do you want on your pizza?
I'm gonna go. So we have a.
Okay, wait. Let me give you.
We need to put the tomato sauce on, don't we? First.
You can put tomato sauce first. Let me give you all a spoon, okay?
Or ketchup.
So you can.
Ketchup?
Yeah. Yes,
So you put some of this on your pizza, on your tortilla,
and spread it.
and then you spread it like this.
I knew that.
Okay. All right.
Spread it, Eliza.
This is just more hard work for us. It's not that hard. More hard work for us. Imagine people trying to make pizzas at a pizza place.
Okay.
How hard do you think it is for them? None.
You need more sauce?
Because they wouldn't.
You don't want a lot of sauce, so your pizza will not look soggy. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Oh wow, look at Eliza.
Wow, look at the base.
Compared to us.
Don't get it all the way off the edge. You want a nice crust on the ends, right? So leave a little bit.
Those three.
A big crust.
One.
Okay, did it. But mine did turn out to be at the edge.
Okay. Put this piece here.
I don't mind doesn't
When you're
have
done,
as much crust.
put this spoon here. Put your spoon on the side. Okay. Now, what kind of toppings do you
I'm
want?
gonna go get mine. Tomato.
Ooh, you gotta put cheese
We're going
first.
to put
Sauce.
cheese.
Sauce.
Cheese first.
We're going to put cheese first, baby.
Can I
Okay,
sprinkle?
Put some
Can I
cheese.
sprinkle? Sprinkle.
Okay.
The
He
old
knows what to
fashioned.
do.
Whoa!
The old fashioned. The old.
We're using a spoon today because we're trying to teach the kids.
Good hygiene.
Yes, good hygiene.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to be putting other people's food onto our pizza.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat Eliza's pizza.
No!
Oh! Eliza's pizza looks the most delicious
Yeah, okay,
so far.
now it's your turn.
Alright, Zach, your turn.
What about me?
Maybe when you get some cheese on it.
Okay, what do you want on your pizza? Tomatoes. Okay, here.
And pineapple. Hey, can I scoop it out and then put it on the
You
plate
want
and
this?
then spread it? Oh.
If
Okay,
you
wanna do
want.
it?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
You can do it.
Yeah.
You have to spread it, baby.
Wow, look at that. Zach, make sure to spread your cheese.
Okay.
So you don't just have one mountain in the middle.
What is it going to be? Mountain of pizza? You mean Mountain Dew? You do it? You don't eat that
pineapple.
Mountain Dew. Hendrix is progressing the most so far. I haven't even got my cheese on yet.
It's okay.
I got a mountain. Zaki, you're using a bit too much cheese.
No, it's fine. Still good. He's still spreading it. He actually needs more cheese though.
I'm gonna
Okay.
sprinkle it like this.
What else do you want? You want chicken or do you want pepperoni? This is it?
I'm a professional.
You want hot dogs on yours, Eliza?
Hey, which one looks the tastiest?
Eliza.
What about mine? No, be honest though. Be completely honest.
So far, Eliza's looks the best.
What about mine? Okay, can I look?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see what the oven says. The oven is...
Okay, you can put the cheese. It's right next to you.
Okay.
The
We're
cheese.
going to wait.
Cheese.
We're going to wait for
It's you.
the oven to get to 400. Okay.
Mom. So, Mom, you're putting the oven at?
400.
And how long do you put them in there for?
Well, I'm not really sure because this is the first time. We will just watch it.
We will just watch it. Okay, be careful. Your elbow's almost in your pizza.
Where are you putting the thing?
Because he wants to use his
Oh,
fingers.
you want to use it?
Kate, move your plate closer.
Yeah.
Move your plate closer to the thing. There you go.
It's not that messy yet. I like this. Thank you.
Grandma's magic touch. There's also chicken if you guys want to put chicken on your pizza. You want to put chicken on your
You want
pizza?
some chicken?
I already decided that I want to.
You already decided.
Look at all this.
You want chicken on yours?
Eliza just wants a vegetarian
Yeah.
pizza.
The baby is vegetarian.
Yeah. Is it yummy?
Oh, I'm
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
I think I'm
And you got pineapple on yours?
I want more pineapple.
No, that's enough.
Okay.
Because you might not eat that. It
How about
tastes
some
too much.
tomato?
Alright, Kate, what else do you want to put on your pizza, bro?
You want chicken?
Oh, can I get
Grab it.
Get it.
Mine is a stuff
Just
full
got the whole thing.
of everything.
Yeah, just got the whole
Mine
thing.
is a stuff full of everything. Look,
Ooh, that looks good.
it's
I have
a.
to put more cheese on top. A little bit more cheese on top. Zachary.
We're almost done.
Here we have.
Just extra concentrated.
We're going to put more cheese on yours. Ooh.
Look at that.
More
Want to see mine when I'm done? Look at
You
it.
want to see yours when it's
Okay, can you cook mine? Mine is finished.
We have to wait for the oven to get to the right
I
temperature.
forgot to turn on the oven.
Can
Wow, look at
Can I
these.
eat one pineapple?
Yeah, eat it. Not from there. Get one.
It's okay.
Get it from there. Not from your pizza. There you go.
Oh. Just tasting it.
We don't have enough pineapple. We don't have a lot of pineapple. That's why.
Yeah, we have a lot of sausages.
Yeah,
I know.
we have a ton.
How about
Alright, Kate.
each of us take one
Yeah,
sausage?
it looks like one of those Roblox.
You can't eat the sausages yet, is that because they're
What
not
do you
cooked yet?
want? You want tomatoes?
They're
or
not
what?
hot. They're just from the fridge.
Huh? You want tomatoes, onions?
No. I want
Have some onions.
You want onions, Zach?
Is there any of the? Is there
You
any?
want chicken?
Yeah. Is there any mushrooms?
Mine has a lot of cheese.
No.
No. I wish there was mushrooms.
We're only going to use ingredients that we have in the kitchen, in the refrigerator. Because
Okay, that's enough.
we cannot go, it's hard to go to the grocery store.
Oh, that's enough, huh?
Remember?
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're just gonna wait till the oven's done. Alright, let's see everyone's pizzas before they go in the oven. Alright, kid, what's in your pizza?
Okay, so I have grilled chicken, pineapple, sausage, cut sausages, which is also pepperoni. Okay, I also have mozzarella cheese, tomato,
Tomato sauce.
Okay.
Alright, Zach,
Pasta.
what do you got?
Chicken, tomato sauce, sausages, cut sausages,
Pineapple,
pineapple, and
chicken, and some tomatoes, right?
Tomato.
Alright, and now, Eliza, what do you have in your pizza, baby?
tomatoes and pineapple.
Oh, delicious.
She does not like meat on his.
And what, Mom?
We're going to make pesto pasta.
Ooh, so we have some farfalle. You can use whatever pasta you want. This is just what we have on hand, and we are cooking that up. Just like the instructions.
11 minutes.
Alright, the oven is ready. Time to throw in
100.
our pizzas. So we're just gonna watch these. We don't exactly know how hot or how long to put them in for, but they're at 400 degrees. And we're just throwing them all in.
Yes.
That's good, Mom.
Just gonna put them
Yummy. Alright, bye pizzas. We'll be back. Alright, you guys, now it's my turn to make a pizza. And I'm really excited. I was a little jealous while the kids were making theirs because I wanted to make one too. So, we're gonna throw a little olive oil on here. And then I'm gonna get
the biggest one ever.
the biggest.
Kuya is a hungry.
I'm a hungry hippo right now. All this filming is making me hungry. So I have my tortilla bread, and I'm going to add a little bit more of the olive oil on top. Then I have my tomato sauce, and we're gonna put some tomato sauce on there. Oh my gosh, I feel like Rachel Ray. Slash mom. Then we're gonna add some cheese. I always like a lot of cheese, so I'm gonna add cheese now. I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese again afterwards to make sure it's like nice and coated. Cheese is my favorite. Alright, then I have an assortment, if you will, of cut up peppers. There's onions, and there's, this is parsley, Mom?
Yes.
And some parsley. So,
Yeah. We don't have basil.
we don't have any
All
basil.
basil. That's the only green we have.
I want mine to look really colorful.
I'm going to make another one too.
Ooh, Mom's gonna battle me in pizza.
No, this is for Dad. I'm just gonna like one.
And then I'm putting some onions as well. I love onions. Onions are one of my favorite things. I'll add some of this as well. And oh, I want to put some fresh tomatoes. Got some fresh tomatoes right here. Man, mine's gonna be so intense. It's gonna be like soggy woggy.
Yeah.
Mine might be a little soggy woggy, but that's gonna be okay. I will still like it. Throwing on some pineapples. Don't have too many left. I think we're low on pineapples, right?
We don't have any more.
Oh, this is all our pineapples
Yes.
left. And then I want to throw in, these are just some hot dogs that Mom cut up into.
That's the Costco.
These are the Costco brand sausages, right?
No, it's no, it's not Costco brand. It's Breton something. It's organic.
Oh,
Something
but it's from
all
Costco.
beef. Yeah.
Okay. Wow, I'm making like a supreme pizza. That's what I'm making. That's what this is called. And then I'm gonna add some chicken. Dad's gonna be so jealous of my pizza. Especially because he's not here to help make some. I'm gonna make John a pizza.
Yes, make some pizza.
And then I'm gonna add just a little bit more cheese on top, and then my pizza is gonna be ready to go. Oh my gosh. My pizza is not gonna cook through.
You know what John wants?
Yeah, everything.
No. Like, he wants a
He wants it all. Oh, me too. Let's make another one of those. Okay, I'm gonna go put this in the oven. I'll be right back. All right, I wanted to show you guys the pizzas that the kids made. This one is Kate's. That one's Zach's and little Eliza's. Okay, Eliza, let's do your taste test, baby.
How was it?
Good.
Is it delicious?
Is it delicious? Is it a delicious pizza?
You gotta try a bite.
Let's try a bite.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Yeah, Zach. Let's see your reaction to your pizza.
Okay. so they cut it away.
Ooh, is it good? All right, Zach. Let's see you. Do you like your pizza?
Wow.
How is it? Wow. Where's Kata? Cade, you want to try your pizza?
Yeah. I hope it tastes good.
I hope so too.
Of course, it's good.
3, I was chatting on your mic.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, cheese pull. Whoa. Is it good? Yeah. All right, let's cut up Mom's pizza. Ooh.
So yummy.
So yummy.
Get over your plate.
First one.
No.
Did you want to announce how sweaty you are to the camera?
No,
Yeah?
thank you.
You just did. Let's show them. Look at these sweaty kids.
Eat, so you gotta go.
Ooh, look at my pizza. Looks so delicious. Alright, you guys, here's our food. We're gonna eat now. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out with us today. It was so much fun cooking with all of you. And we'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye! Look at these Tory birches. They're like clogged birches. The suede is like a little bit of a hot mess, but 15 bucks for these guys. The heel is pretty nice though. 15 bucks. Size 11? Yeah, look at size 11. Cole Hans.